Looking for a reliable, powerful drill and impact driver combo that won't break the bank? If you're a DIYer or a pro contractor, the DEWALT DCK240C2 20V Max Kit has become a popular go-to. But is it really worth your money in 2025? Today, I'm putting this compact yet capable kit to the test. I'll cover performance, features, real-world use, and whether it's still one of the best toolkits you can grab today. What's in the box? Here, the DCK240C2 kit includes everything you need to get started right out of the box. The DCD771 drill or driver, the DCF885 impact driver, two 20V MAX Lithium-Ion batteries, a compact charger, a durable carrying bag, features and performance. Let's start with the DCD771 drill. 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1500 RPM, delivers 300 unit watts out of power, enough for wood, metal, and light masonry. Compact, lightweight design fits into tight spaces. 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck holds bits firmly. Ergonomic handle gives you good control and comfort during long use. Now the DCF885 impact driver. Compact and only 2.8 pounds, super easy to maneuver. Produces up to 1,400 Nlbs of torque. One-handed 1/4-inch hex chuck for quick bit changes. 3 LED light ring with 20-second delay, no more working in the dark. Both tools use DeWalt's 20V MAX Lithium-Ion, giving you longer runtimes and faster charge cycles. Real-world usage. In actual use, the drill is perfect for household projects, assembling furniture, drilling into studs, and light-duty construction work. The impact driver really shines for driving long screws, lag bolts, and even light automotive work. Its lightweight design and solid torque make it a favorite among DIYers and pros alike. Battery life? Expect solid runtime on both tools for standard tasks. You might want a bigger battery for all-day heavy use, but for most jobs, the included 1.3 ampere-hour batteries get the job done. Pros and cons. Pros: great performance for the price, compact and lightweight, reliable battery life with 2 batteries included, bright LED lighting, ideal for DIY and light professional work. Cons: batteries are 1.3 ampere-hour, not ideal for extended heavy-duty use. Drill chuck can loosen a bit under high load, no brushless motors. So, is the DeWalt DCK240C2 20V Max Kit worth it? Absolutely. For under $150, you're getting 2 powerful, compact tools that punch well above their weight. While it may not be suited for heavy-duty all-day job site work for 90% of users, DIYers, homeowners, or entry-level pros, this kit delivers excellent performance and value. If you're thinking about picking one up, I've added the link in the description below with the latest pricing and deals. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more reviews. Got a question or your own experience with the DCK240C2? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and keep building smarter.